Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK, where I'm preparing a hole using my long handle Irish spade, because today's job is moving two of these three Trachycarpus fortunei from over there to down here. I knew that these were too close together the minute I planted them, so it was inevitable that they were going to need moving one day. This is going to be my arid bed, and I want a path through the middle, so I'm going to move those over there. But that's for a video later today. In this video, short and sweet, I wanted to tell you about my new acquisition, which is my new gardening watch. Why do I need a gardening watch? Well, I do have a posh watch, but I don't want to be using it on heavy duty manual labour jobs in the garden because it may get damaged. But I have noticed that when I'm not wearing a watch, I lose track of time. So I decided to go on Amazon and have a look for a cheap, robust watch. But there was another aspect to my set of criteria. I do need reading glasses, and without reading glasses, I can't generally see the face of a watch. So I decided to try and buy one with a white face, black numbers and black fingers. And that's exactly what I found. It was only £12. And it does the job. A treat, because I can see the time there without my glasses on. 9:15 in the morning. So if you want to buy a cheap, robust, easy to see gardening watch, there's an Amazon link in the description box below this video. I'll also put a link to all these tools that I'm using to relocate these plants, including the gloves, in the description box. And don't forget, if you buy anything through those links, they are paid links, and I do receive a small commission for every item you buy. Thank you. Your support is very much appreciated because it goes towards projects. I've got to buy 3 tons of gravel for this, so every little helps. I'll see you soon for some more gardening watch adventures. Bye for now.